So, good day, guys. Morning, afternoon, evening, depending on when you're going to be watching this video. It's been a while. I uploaded a video. I was just waiting for an update here that is paying. But this is one which I've been able to lay my hands on for a while now, and I've received payment twice, and it's very legit. So your focus should be on the point that is the one that looks like a dagger sign above, so like the one that's 1000 currently. So, and then gathering gems, the gems will be converted to USDT, and then the points which I've shown you before, that's what is needed to withdraw. Look at it, endpoints, and then unlock token airdrops. So I just have to open a new account, so you see how it is. The interface is, if you're looking for the first time, as you can see, the dagger used to mine gems, and then the gems will be converted to USDT. Also, the keys will be used to unlock treasure boxes, and then everything will still be converted to USDT. So go to the mine section, and then go to the mine settings, and then set these two things. Okay, this is the walkthrough video. So just on auto repair, and then auto open chest. Click on OK. So to be mining, just minimize it, and then to be mining on its own. So go to the stack section, and then try as much as possible to complete the stacks, all the stacks here. Then daily, by the time you're mining, you will keep unlocking some quests, so you'll be able to claim it, either gold, or you'll be able to claim keys, and then that keys is worth 200 keys is used to unlock one chest. That is a normal chest, but the USDT chest, I guess that one will open if you wash hands. Yes. So we're back to the mine session now. So then you have to boost the dagger I use. Currently at level 1, so you have to boost it as much as possible for it to get more rewards, like earn more gems, and then the rest. And then when you log in every day, check this peace sign here. So always claim, if you've increased your level, you'll be able to claim more gold coins. That gold coins is what powers your dagger or whatever to mine. So if you have more gold coins, you can keep mining as long as you want to. So that is that about the mining aspect. Now let's move forward. Now click on get, then gems, as you can see it. So that is that. Then I'll just show you this after you've completed the video, and then when you click on that claim, you'll be able to claim first $0.03, that is 6 diamonds. Then from there, as you can see, to $0.1 to $0.3 to $0.5, and then to 1, and then to $5, then to $10 to 20 to 50, and then until the last is $500. Somebody withdrew $500, so you just have to work, put in the effort to be able to hit the threshold. So just like I said, just focus on the points, and then the gems. So now this one, you can click on this to gather more points, more keys, more gems, and the rest. All these things I'm clicking on, the wheel, the sailor ship, and then the rest. So because of that, I will just conclude the video now. So, but if you have money USDT, you can also pay to unlock more bots. You can see it's a free one. Unlock all. See, now when you will get all these items you use to unlock or to buy what is listed there at the treasure chest you are going to unlock. Now this end button, although this one, if you to hit $30.5, it's actually not easy, I'll tell you that for sure, because me myself, I've not actually withdrawn.
yeah. So but if you have a very big team, I think you can be able to manage that. So that is just everything about the video. So congrats guys, see you later. Please do it to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.